So as I'm doing more and more on my own, like the horse trailer, where we're making the horse trailer into a bar, trying just to get more things on carts, I decided to take a welding class. I'm 37, never welded, and I know like welding's not that hard after my first lesson. But still, I just want to make sure like I'm doing it really good, because some of the things I don't want them to break. So here's my first weld. We were just doing lines, and then I decided to make it into a T shape. I know it's not that great. Jordan from Century Events is probably gonna make fun of me, but it was my first hour doing it, and it was fun. It was easy, or not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Obviously, I'm gonna need to have a lot more practice to make it look cleaner and make sure that the welds are strong, but it's kind of fun, and I'm gonna make things. And there's a few spots on here that I could weld up to make it a little stronger. I'm gonna make a cart for all my base plates for pipe and drape. And the main thing is I'm gonna modify the lift gate to be a little longer, because an oven can't fit on the lift gate of the truck that I own. When I rent the truck, the lift gates are a lot larger on a 26-foot truck, but it's just not that large on my 16-foot. So I'm gonna modify that. So it'll be all cool. It's exciting, learning how to weld. The only thing that sucks is if I want to weld on my own here, I got to buy the machine, and it's quite an investment, but it's a business expense. So that's what I'm doing for the next month. 2 nights a week, 3 hours a night, learning how to weld. It's fun. Thanks for watching.